Let's dive through the breaking crypto news of the day. But first, what the heck is going on with the market? I feel your pain. I feel the frustration, the boredom. This is how Bitcoin and crypto bottoms happen. It's a long, slow grind and it wears you down. But just know that I know a lot of you guys are high pain tolerance investors. So when you feel it, imagine how all the low pain tolerance investors feel. They are panicking right now. But that's why it's so important to understand what is actually going on. And this says everything about what is going on. Average 30-year fixed mortgage rate increases to 6.43%, the highest level since 2008. What happened in 2008? We had a global financial collapse. Why did we have a global financial collapse? Because interest rates were that high, and so everything crashed. Housing in particular. And so what are we about to enter right now because interest rates are this high? A massive global financial collapse. And so what is the playbook? We'll just go back, look at the chart of stocks in 2008. Obviously, if you bought stocks in 2008, that was the most incredible time to be doing so because this is all centrally planned and manipulated, and all the Federal Reserve has to do is lower interest rates yet again to save the economy. They're just waiting for inflation to die, which will happen once the economy dies. So in the meantime, we get to stay on top of and scoop up these incredibly revolutionary technology assets that the market is absolutely sleeping on. So let's dive through the news and the data. What the heck is going on with this market? Average daily number of traded NFTs. Solana is crushing Flow. Flow is crushing Ethereum. No one is talking about Flow. Literally in this crypto winter, Flow has been growing massively. But of course, good news doesn't matter when everything is selling off, but it will once the bull market returns. Absolutely massive for Flow. Now, here's other news that everyone is sleeping on related to Ethereum. The supply since the merge. So when Ethereum merged from proof of work in white to proof of stake in blue, its inflation rate went from 3.79% down to 0.2%. So they were dumping 3.79% of tokens on the market every single year, just inflating the supply. Well, now it's crashed. Now, Ethereum token is more scarce, right? And so what happens when Bitcoin halves? The inflation rate goes down. Well, Ethereum's inflation rate just plummeted to 0.2%. Very good for the tokenomics in the long term. Now, speaking of tokenomics, it does not get bigger than what is going on with Shiba Inu right now. 5% of Shiba Eternity revenue will be used to burn Shiba Inu. This is what I've been talking about. So it's a massive community, lots of money. They're building high quality assets, which obviously they're going to take advantage of the massive network effects. What are they going to do with all the money generated? Burn Shiba Inu, make it more scarce. That is how we get on the path to a high dollar value or high cent value Shiba Inu token. Absolutely massive. Here's another asset that most people are sleeping on, but just quietly building and growing underneath the surface. We are pleased to announce that Kronos is moving out of beta. 50 million transactions successfully completed, 300 plus dApps, close to 1 million users. Time to start a new chapter. 930,000 wallets on the crypto.com token, CRO. Absolutely massive. Is this the next BNB? It very well could be. Here's another asset with just massive growth this year in the midst of the crypto winter, Hedera hash graph. 276,000 plus NFTs minted on Hedera. 300% increase. June, July, August. Just massive growth. Here is more data on the Hedera network. 200% increases in NFTs minted per month. June to August. This is the year of Hbar. Before it was all hype. Now they are absolutely delivering on what they've been talking about. Average daily active accounts per month increases 200%. So just massive growth. Absolutely huge. Here is another update on the metaverse. It does not get bigger than some of these partnerships. For the first time ever, Saudi Arabia is hosting its 92nd National Day in the metaverse, right in the heart of Decentraland. Saudi Arabia is hosting a celebration in the metaverse, and they chose Decentraland. How legit is Decentraland?